Here's how to thread the punch needle. We have the punch tool. Here's the punch tool, and at one of the ends we have the hollow needle end. You just get the wire threader here and insert it into the hollow needle end of the punch tool and slide it all the way down. You should be able to see the wire coming out of the other end. Then you just get the thread and pass it through the wire loop. When it's there, just retract the threader. Pull it all the way and release. Now we pay attention to the shape of the needle. You can adjust the length of the remaining thread. The shorter it is, the harder to work with, but then you have less thread hanging and wasted. So about 3/4 of an inch is a good size. Then you get the wire threader and thread it into the hole. Again, pass the thread into the wire threader and retract. And easy peasy, you're done. Again, you can adjust this remaining thread and keep punching. Best of luck.